for apple. Apple means a tasty fruit. B for ball. Ball means something we play with. C for cat. Cat means a cute little pet. D for dog. Dog means a faithful animal. E for elephant. Elephant means a big animal. F for fish. Fish means an animal that swims in water. G for goat. Goat means an animal that gives us milk. H for hat. Hat means something we wear on our head. I for ice cream. Ice cream means a cold, sweet treat. J for jelly. Jelly means a yummy, wobbly food. K for kite. Kite means a toy that flies in the sky. L for lion. Lion means the king of the jungle. M for monkey. Monkey means a funny, jumping animal. N for nest. Nest means a bird's home. O for orange. Orange means a juicy fruit. P for parrot. Parrot means a bird that can talk. Q for queen. Queen means a royal lady. R for rabbit. Rabbit means a soft white animal. S for sun. Sun means the bright light in the sky. T for tiger. Tiger means a strong wild animal. U for umbrella. Umbrella means it keeps us dry in rain. V for van. Van means a big vehicle for travel. W for whale. Whale means the biggest sea animal. X for xylophone. Xylophone means a musical instrument. Y for yacht. Yacht means a boat that sails on water. Z for zebra. Zebra means an animal with black and white stripes.